The next part of our video structure is the content delivery. So the content delivery refers to the main body or substance of the video, where the creator presents the information, story, or message they intend to convey to the audience. It's the meat and potatoes, so to speak. It's the main part of the video, which, as you can see, is the center of the video where content is in fact delivered. The focus shifts from hooking the viewer's attention to delivering valuable content that fulfills the promises made in the hook and the outline. So it provides value. The content delivery is where creators have the opportunity to share valuable information, insights, entertainment, or inspiration with their audience. It's the core principle of the video where viewers can learn something new, gain perspective, and be entertained. And whatever your niche is, whether it's a health niche or a car niche or the travel niche, it's the main portion of the video that brings all of these: inspiration, entertainment, insights, and hopefully you can bring all of these at the same time. It's a rare quality for YouTubers to actually do that. But if you bring all of these at the same time and it invokes the emotions within viewers, then you have subscribers for life. So all of these equal value. The more of these you can bring, the more value you will be able to bring to your viewers and subscribers. So the content delivery structure of the video, it engages the audience. Compelling content delivery keeps the viewers engaged and invested in the video. It's essential to maintain their attention throughout the video by delivering content that is relevant, informative, and engaging. And maintaining their attention throughout the video, again, is a big yes for the algorithm. It fulfills expectations. Viewers watch a video for certain expectations based on the hook and the outline provided at the beginning of the video. Effective content delivery ensures that these expectations are met or exceeded. And let's go for the latter. Let's really strive to go for the latter. Exceeded viewers' expectations. Because when you exceed expectations, you bring value. When you bring value, you bring back viewers over and over again to your video. Satisfying the viewer's curiosity and delivering on the promises made. Very important. Always deliver on your promises. If you learn anything from this section, it's this one thing: deliver on your promises. It also maintains interest. The content delivery portion of the video should be structured and placed in a way that maintains viewers' interest from start to finish. Let's think of the algorithm whenever we see start to finish. The algorithm likes us when we have viewers watch our videos from start to finish. This can involve using storytelling techniques, engaging visuals, demonstrations, or interactive elements to keep the viewers captivated. And of course, here are some examples of content delivery. There's tutorial videos, there's documentaries, there are vlogs, there are review videos. Remember, step by step, we talked about that. We have factual information in a listicle, interviews, visuals that educate. Vlogs are sharing personal experiences, stories, insights in an engaging and relatable manner. Review video is evaluating and critiquing product, service, or piece of media, providing viewers with an informed opinion to help make them purchasing decisions. So we can absolutely veer away from these. These are just 4 examples. But this goes into hundreds, possibly thousands of different examples of content delivery. Okay, so here we have another example of the lengths of the different structures of the video. We have the hook, we have the blueprint, and we have the content delivery. And as before, when comparing the hook to the blueprint, notice the length of content delivery versus the blueprint and versus the hook. The content delivery is maybe 5 to 10 times longer than the hook and the blueprint itself. And just like these two right here, we have titles, we have B-roll, and we have a music track. We can also have our voiceover here. We can have effects, but it doesn't have to be hard, guys. Very simple. We have the hook, the blueprint, content delivery. subtitles, B-roll, music track. Very simple, very easy to understand.